Louise. And then we went up to Jasper, and on the way we saw some incredible lakes. Then at Jasper we went up here and hit the 40. And then we took the 40 across here up to Grand Prairie. And then at Grand Prairie we stayed there at the Rotary RV Park. Good morning. We're off leaving Banff, and we're gonna make it as far as we can today, so we'll see how it goes. Anything?
See if we can get away from the crowds.
Yeah.
I guess being the weekend and this proximity to Edmonton and Calgary, it's I guess not uncommon for it to be very crowded, which unbelievably crowded. However, it is what it is.
What do you think, Jake and Jasmine? Like, oh, well, you woke us up. We're not happy. I know, it's early, isn't it? And we go through the gate here. We got our pass.
Thank you.
And on our way. That wasn't too bad. Just as pretty and a lot less crowded. My goodness. Oh my gosh, I mean, the camera isn't even big enough for this. There's the mountains and the water.
I can figure it out, but I'm looking at it thinking that I can. But if you look at the picture, it's just
and this guy's blabbing in the background. Really
yeah, but that's something like well, I guess that's
unbelievable. Gosh, we stopped at this lake. It was absolutely gorgeous. I heard that these lakes are just as pretty as Lake Louise, and they're not as crowded, so I couldn't even take enough pictures. We're going to stop at one more, see if we can get some more pictures. Wasn't it just gorgeous?
Yeah, it was beautiful.
And the glaciers, too.
Yeah, that was cool. Oh, got a Bambi.
You can smell the pine. It smells so good. There's a little snow on the pathway here. Nice and cool. Oh my gosh. Unbelievable. Look at the color of this lake. Oh my goodness. So green. Amazing. This lake is amazing. So green. Just amazing. Even if it's cloudy. It's amazing.
Yeah.
Did you like it?
Oh yeah. Pretty cool.
There's the trail.
Yeah.
I'm still afraid of falling right now, so I kind of want to take it easy till I'm healed up. Run! Here's the tour bus. No, it's cloudy. It's still pretty. There's just mountain after mountain after mountain here. Glacial plains.
That was my word. I don't know if that's the real term for it. It's wild how that scree field is so wide and the river is kind of braided through the whole thing, especially back there. I'm guessing because this is so flat, at one time a glacier must have come through here.
Yeah. Scraped it flat. Coming out.
Yeah.
Get some blue skies finally.
Pretty when it clears up like this and hit the clouds.
Yeah. Beautiful.
Don't do that very often.
These Canadians just drive like madmen in these trucks. Prairie. That's a good sized town, it looks like.